Hola everyone, Scotty here with Destination Open Road. And of course, Miss Terry's behind the camera right there.
Hey everybody.
What I have here is a new e-bike. In fact, this is an e-trike. I have so many people ask me, when are you going to do a trike? I mean, it's a perfect time of the year to be getting this. The summer's on its way. These trikes, from what I understand, because I haven't ridden one yet, are just great for everybody. And wait till you see the basket on the back. Let's get into this box and let me show you this new Mooncool TK1 Electric Trike. I am competing with the wind. Also, there's an airfield right over here and the jets do blow over. Anyways, let me show you the neat thing about this box. It has these little tabs all the way around it. You squeeze them at the top and you pull down and that comes out. And I'm going to do that around all sides. Now you just grab this thing and voila. All right, so you can see I'm about halfway done taking all the wrapping off. It's only taken me a few minutes. I do like the fact they have all this wrapping on it because you don't want to spend a bunch of money and buy a new bike and have it scratched. So far, it's looking beautiful.
Oh, it's just so windy.
Really windy here. This bike is, for the most part, 90% put together. You basically just put the front on, the front tire on, the front fender on, pop those in there, lock them in, and it's pretty much all together. It's the easiest to put the front fender on before you put the tire on. And it also has a quick release on it, so piece of cake. So down here in this front brake caliper, there's a little piece of plastic that keeps it so the brake shoes aren't mashed together in transport. So you do want to just pop that out. It's just a little thing like that. That just keeps the brake shoes from being smashed together. Then you can go ahead and put on the front tire. But if you had any questions, I'm sure if you took it to your local bike shop, they'd be happy to put this thing together. And as always, after it's all together, what you want to do is just go over all the nuts and bolts that you didn't install just to make sure they're nice and tight before you take your butt out on the road. Okay, so first thing you do is you want to charge this battery up to 100% before you take the bike for its first ride. Now this battery is a 48 volt, 14.5 amp hour battery. It has a checker on it too, so it has a little button right here. And it lights up and it tells you how much power is left in the battery. Even though it's saying 100%, these never come 100%. So I'm going to go ahead and get it charged up and give me a quick way to get out of the wind because it is nasty out there. But a good day for a bike ride if I get it all done up. Anyways, what I do too is I always plug this part into my battery first. Then I plug my charger in. And I make sure, because the battery pack, or the charger pack does get warm, and I always put it in a nice place where it's not going to sit on anything that will burn or even get hot. So anyways, it's charging. We're almost done putting the bike together. So I'll finish that part, and then we'll go for a ride today. And by the way, don't leave these batteries unattended. I always keep them out in the open and keep an eyeball on them, so it's just a wise thing to do. Any battery, keep an eyeball on it.
And plug them when you're done.
And unplug it when you're done. That's a fact. Only a couple more things to do. You got to put the first part of the rack on. Then this basket sits on top of that rack, and this is all included. Everything you see here has come with this bicycle. Even this nice big super seat. Our level 1. Ooh, that has some nice takeoff. All right, enough with playing around with the trike in the dirt. I'm going to take it down here to the island and do some pavement riding, see how it rides on the pavement. All right, so you see I got my nice Mooncool in the back of the truck. It is a folding bike. but it fits perfectly in the back of the pickup truck. I'll just show you how easy it is for me to put it in and out. I already put it in there. It's not too bad for one person.
Wow.
Right?
I did not expect
Yeah,
that
then
to
you got
be
your front brake, and then you just
that
back it up.
easy.
Got your back brake. You know?
Wow.
That's how easy it is. And all I do to put it back in, well, I'll show you when I'm done. So I'm here at this parking lot.
But it does, but it does fold, right?
It does fold. Yeah, you can see it right here.
Okay.
Disconnect it. I can do that real quick.
Wow.
And you just bring it around.
As you can see, Scotty does all the reviews. I hadn't really even looked at it.
This comes back nicely this way. But with the rack on it and everything, you know, it's easier for me just to leave it together. You could take the front tire off and it gets even smaller because it is a quick disconnect. But it works perfect this way for me. Now that I had the bike out of the truck, let me show you what displays we have up here. This is your power system, or this is your monitor here. Hold it down. It's got a nice display system on it. It's black and white. This bike has 5 levels of power on the power assist for the pedal assist. Easy to go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see it has 5 levels on the power assist. And to go backwards, just as easy, minus. Okay. Over here, what we have is turn signals. And I will show you those later in the nighttime because they're really pretty cool. Anyways, they are located back here. And the other way. I really like the fact that it lights up so well for night driving. This bike comes with disc brakes, hydraulic disc brakes, and these are the most comfortable way to go on these e-bikes. So up front you have the single disc for the front tire. Back here you have a nice big disc for the rear tires. So one disc stops the whole bike. And also, this is rear wheel drive, which is really sweet because it has a rear differential. And what that allows to do is as you turn, the inner wheel is the one that spins and picks up the turning ability. So it's really stable that way. Also, it comes with a 500-watt motor, which I will show you how powerful this thing is. It jumps out of the hole. Now, with having a rear differential on this, there are no gears to change in the rear end. It doesn't have a derailleur or anything like that. Pretty much push it, the button, and go. I brought it here because of the incline, the big open area and everything, just so I can see how it performs on pavement. So let's try it out. Okay, before I get on this bike, make sure you have a helmet. And Mooncool has provided us with this nice helmet. Look at that. Got 3 different selections. I know you're loving it.
She can't wait to go on a bike ride with her papa.
Yeah. All right, so I'm in pedal assist 1, and you can see it's a little bit of an incline. I'll give it a little pedaling. Let's see how it responds. Just a little bit. Oh, takes off nicely. So this is pedal assist 1 with the assist going. Looks like it takes me up to 7 miles an hour. Really comfortable going up the hill. Like I said, it does have a twist throttle right here. You got a horn, hydraulic brakes, and a turn signal. So pedal assist 1's getting us up to 7 miles an hour, cruise up the hill, piece of cake. So now I'm going to stop over here and let's see, come to complete stop, power level 1 with no pedal assist. Let's see how well she does. Ooh. It takes off. Sweet. And so the top speed pretty much on the bike is 15 miles an hour. There she goes. Took no time at all. Really nice and comfortable. Okay, I got somebody behind me. I'll signal, let them know I'm going to turn. Okay, here we go, right out of the hole again. Oh, quick and easy. There we go. Oh, they're coming this way. I'll get out of their way. Oh, I'll let them go around, actually. There we go. Okay. So you can see the nice trail over there around the island. So I'll come up here and I'll turn around and let's see what pedal assist 2 does. So pedal assist 1 brought the bike up to 7 miles an hour. It's just as simple, just hit the plus. Now you can see we're at power level 2. So I'll go ahead and start pedaling. And as soon as you get it going, she'll take off a little. Yep, there you go. I'm just pedaling a bit. Wow, really comfortable. So power level 2 is getting me up to 9 miles an hour. Really comfortable. We'll stop again. Boy, at the rear brakes, it really works sweet. Now we're at power level 3. I'll let these rigs go past us. Okay. I would be up on that, but you can see they're tearing it all up. Okay, power level 3. Just a little bit of pedaling. Whoa, this thing comes right out of the hole. Oh, I love it. Okay. And so, in power level 3 on the pedaling, you can see I'm really pedaling as much as I can to maintain it. So pretty much, as far as I can see, anything after 10 miles an hour, 11 miles an hour, there's no need to pedal anymore. It's just you can't keep up with the speed. Let's see if I give number 3 a little bit of throttle. Oh yeah. And you can control it with this twist throttle real easy to whatever speed you want. You can crack it. Yeah, very responsive. It has front shocks on it, which really softens the ride. And also with the nice seat that comes with it, it's pretty dang comfortable. This thing is a mover and groover, I'll say that much. Okay. Now let's see what 5 does. Let's go right to 5. And I'll pedal a little bit, just a little bit, and boy, there she wants to take off. Yeah, in 5, you really no need to pedal. You can't pedal as fast as the bike wants to go. Yeah, with the twist throttle, you can really kind of slow it down to whatever speed you want. And with the 500 watt motor and the 14 volt 14.5 amp hour battery, this thing should be able to do, if you pedal a little bit, probably like 30 miles, I think is what they're saying. 30 miles you can go in a distance. It's all up to how much you want to pedal and how much hills you're going up and down. This also does have a weight of 350 pounds. That's what it's designed to carry. So these tires on this is not considered a fat tire bike. This bike has 3-inch by 20-inch tires on it, which really are nice for the pavement, and it works well in the dirt also. Really nice and comfortable. I like the fact that you don't have to overly balance constantly. But it is a different ride. I'm not quite used to the trike ride, but it's very comfortable. All right, to go ahead and finish up this review, I want to show you a couple of the added things I got with the bike. One, this is your stock seat. I did get this upgraded seat, and it's got the little breathing hole down in there and a backrest. So that is a option that you can order from them. Also, as you did see, we did get the Mooncool helmet, and it has the blinkers in the back. Really important. Don't ride a bike without a helmet. Before I'm done and ready to put the bike away, I also got this real nice cover for the bike. Once again, these are all the accessories that you can get from Mooncool. And I want to thank Mooncool and sending us this TK1 trike. It's been an experience. It's been fun. I think I can put a cooler back here too. Anyways, check them out. Summer's on its way. See you on the next video.